Hey Zafur, good morning. Hey Docates, good morning. Hey everyone. No, I'm not hungry, thank you. But yeah, I'm in Hungary. CLI, yep. Yeah. Yeah, it's still in the morning. Yeah, we always got this. That all Hungarians are hungry. Ha. Okay, I did this, yeah, almost a year ago, the latest version of the CLI, and I have no idea how to use it. So at first we need to figure out how to use this. Sure, if I even have Go installed, okay, I have. Okay, I guess. Oh, I'm muted. Whoops. Hey Shadow, hey Peak. Jó reggelt. Yeah, I started with a muted microphone. Nice. I'm professional. I'm still a professional. And Bezos is here. Nice. That could be added, therefore. It is not enabled by default, but yeah, it could be added pretty easily, because it just needs a necessary certificate. It is not enabled because, yeah, most people don't use it, or basically the optional setup is to not expose your database to the world. So basically all the communication are going through localhost, let's say, or on a private network. Yeah, let's SSH into my localhost, please. Resources list. Oh, it works. Okay, I'm just figuring out how things works in my own CLI that I've written a year ago. Servers list. Get. Can I use the host name? No, I cannot use the name. Oh, yeah, I think this API is changed. It's called servers now. Yeah, maybe that makes sense, Zafur. Shadow, I started a similar Kanban board as a roadmap, let's say, for Coolify. It's not public yet because I was on the train when I started doing it, so it's not finished. But yeah, there will be a public Kanban roadmap, something like that. Because yeah, I realized on the weekend that we need some. Okay. This code probably look awful, but it doesn't matter because I'm not a Go developer. How this fetch looks like, no idea. Oh, now it works. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it's just a simple making a new request, adding the authorization header. Yeah, we don't need that one now. Okay. Okay. I know how it works. I know how my own stuff works. Nice. Good start for a Monday. Okay, I think we probably need a list of the things that I would like to do with the CLI. And I think we should go resource by resource. Hey, Prater, thanks for the follow. Persistent flags. Yeah, I think I won't use it like this. This minus JSON. I think it's better if we just say that what can we use? String. Oh, oops, this is just strings. String. Format output, yeah. Hey, Browless. Yeah. Thanks for the follow. Here I should have format string. Can it be enum? I have no idea. It's French. Ah. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Brûlé, no. How it could be pronounced in French? Omelette, du fromage? No, I don't know. Brûlé. Sorry, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, let's be string because I have no idea how to make it enum. But I think I will use AI a lot today, so I have no idea how to make a good Go code. So yeah, can you make it enum? Okay, maybe I should I should use the documentation. Not Viper, Cobra. It's called Cobra. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's Cobra. Hey, meow, good morning. Okay, let's use like this for now. Should be pretty, yeah. Then we do not need these ones. And nope. Where I use JSON. No, not like this. I think I should. I should make a function like check format. Thank you. Oh, maybe I can reuse the JSON mode and pretty mode. Yeah. Let's see. Format. JSON. Oops, I need some command. Oh, yeah. Right. I have the function, but I'm not checking it anywhere. So here, I should check it. Nope. Oops. Okay, something is not working. Format should be default. Should be table. Yeah. Okay, what am I missing here? Okay. Oh, because this is... Oh, okay. I'm dumb. I cannot do it in the init one. Setup or check default things. I don't know, we can rename it later. Check the format and also check the minimum version. Should be like this. Yes, so I can just simply call it like this. Yep, sure, peak. Okay. By the way, what is the bug peak? Hey, exa. It is fine just to get server by the UID. Oh, I see the bug. Hey Slay, thanks for the follow. ID or name is the most common. Yeah, but the problem with that one... Hey Skinny, thanks for the follow. The problem with the name one, that the name is not unique. So you can name your servers or basically any resources however you want. So that is not unique. The unique is the unique ID, or it has a internal ID for Postgres. Yeah. Pig, can you... Oh, okay, you asked the same one. That can he test without any browser extensions? Yeah. PM2, for example, does index and name ID in your case. Yeah. Yeah, you probably won't name each server with the same name, because then on the UI you would see that localhost, I don't know, and so it doesn't make sense. But basically you could name it in the same way. ANSE, thanks for the follow. The refresh token entity must have auto validation. What kind of refresh token? In general? So the okay, let's use it like this for now. So I need some documentation that what should I do here. Okay, so let's first do the servers. We need list, that is already done. We need a get, already done. We need an odd for sure. And in there we should have an option to validate and basically what else? So when you add, you need the private key. So you probably need to looks bad. Never mind. So we need a validate, yeah. And we need to specify the private key ID. Yeah, but for that you probably need to get a list of the private keys first. So yeah, before I do the servers part, maybe I should do the private keys. Hey, Glad Thomas, thanks for the follow. NSD. I don't think you need to validate the expert token because the refresh token is also validated. So I guess you don't need to. So the to-do app didn't take a couple hours after. Yeah, it works. It works. Just I need to make some kind of markdown description like this, because if I don't have, then it looks ugly if I add the description. And yeah, that's one needs to be added. That's why I'm not using my own yet, but it's every other thing is working. Hey, Katie. So we need to have a list, get odd as usual. Yeah. Okay, let's do this first. So we need the private keys. Okay, server command, private key command. Thank you, cursor. Thank you, cursor. No, it's not the endpoint, but that doesn't matter. One private key. Okay. Yes, I'm adding the private key command. So now, oops, if I'm right, I could do just this. No. Oh, yeah, it's declared like that. Oh, yeah, it's already here. Yeah, I don't need that one for now. Yeah, I need a struct for it. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't need the resources. Okay. Yeah, this is not how it looks like. Yeah, let's use it like this, without anything, just the basic stuffs. Oh, my weekend was fine. It was pretty good, relaxing. But we also went to some places with the kids, so it was nice. And yours, Katie? How was your weekend? Volume could be null. Okay. So we need a... Oh. Okay, never mind. I need an endpoint. Private, no, security. If I can write it down. Security keys. Okay, let's see now. Nice. But maybe it should not be private keys, or should be like this. Private keys. List. Ooh, and it's working. Nice. The huge progress on my web app. Oh, nice, Skinny. What are you working on? The side project? Oh, wait. Bezos is here, so we have ads. Maybe you didn't hear that, so let me just wait until the ads are finished. Hey Justivo, thanks for the follow. So, Skinny, what kind of web app do you work on? It is a side project or what? I worked 12 hours Saturday. Holy shit, Zafor. But it's also nice. I really like to work on weekends, but yeah, I mostly couldn't because I spend time with my family, but I used to work on weekends a lot. It's pretty fun, to be honest. It's totally different vibe than working on a weekday. Not sure why, because it's just a day. Private key undefined. The type is no field method. Private key. Oh. JSON. Oh, resources. Ah, oh. I don't need this one. It should not be resources. It should be private keys, I guess. This is the one private key command, then it should be private key. Ah, we don't need the with resources. Okay.
Al's Journey just subscribed for 6 months.
Journey. Holy shit. Thanks for the subscription for 6 months. Woohoo. Thank you. Okay. Hey, it's kind of a side project because I am a UX UI designer in general. I started learning to code in the last couple of years. My web is on Django for beginner esport player. Nice. Yeah, everyone asks for questions on weekdays, wants phone calls and so on. Can just code and listen to music on weekends. Yeah. Thanks, don't know what to write, just say over 112,000 instances on Coolify. Yeah, it is insane. Wow, holy shit. Okay, so this one is working. I just need to Hey Bombius, thanks for the follow. Okay, I need to do something. So I can list them. Okay, I should add the the public key first. Should be public. Oh, just a moment. Okay, I'm here. Sorry everyone. Pixelated lips filter incoming, yeah, probably no one could read my lips because I'm speaking in Hungarian, so actually, while watching you code, I have no idea what it is, but it's like visual ASMR. Hey Silvioni, thanks for the follow. I have someone interested in promoting Coolify, making YouTube content about it. They have a following already. They're wondering if there is a special person they could communicate with to give a feedback, ask questions, and so on. Yeah, it's probably me, Zafur. Sorry NSD, I don't do political stuffs here. Every time I heard Hungarian, it sounded so harsh. Most miért mondod ezt? Szerintem egy tök szép nyelv. Cannot reproduce it, so I think we can release. Okay, I will check it. Peek. You want me to have them email you? Or yeah, email is fine. Woo, CLI. Yeah, hey, I do. Yeah, szifosztikált. Sounds good in Hungarian, right? What can we do with that? Currently not so much, but I'm currently extending it, so... I actually started a course learning JavaScript. I'm about 29% complete. Nice. I can see a future where we watch others talking with an AI Hungarian and the AI writes the code. Thanks for the phone call. I got some pictures to share on the stream chat channel. Nice. Yeah, and I just said that that I don't know why you think that Hungarian is harsh, but I think it's pretty good. But probably because that's my main language, so... Okay, Zafur. Szia, mit csinálsz? That means, hey, what are you doing? Yeah. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing it live. So... Okay, I would need... Hey, Bamo! Hello, raiders! Holy shit, raid! Thanks for the follows, Heavy Cattle and Bamo. What did you do? How was your stream? How was your stream? Hey, Rusty. Thanks for the follow. Is the last release available on CDN? Yep. What were you doing, Bamo? Hey, raiders. Oh no, I leaked my private key. Oh no. Luckily it doesn't matter. Oh, private keys. Yum 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 yum. Okay. The private key. Oh, I don't have the public key here. Oh. Wait, there is a CLI cool in dev? Yep. Yeah, it's I already written it a year ago, but it's very basic. Nothing could be done with it, basically, just one or two things, but yeah, the API wasn't so robust when I did this, so now it's way better. So that's why I decided to, yeah, make a CLI, extend the CLI. It's a music discovery request stream. I mostly work on my bot that handles the request playback system. It's a music stream masquerading as a dev stream, or the other way around, depending on your perspective. Nice. Yeah, making something for stream, on stream, is always a good idea. By the way, is the new Coolify version ever going to be released at Cam.8 yet? No, it's not released yet. It is not released yet. We will release it, I think, in today, because I just waited for some fix from PIC, but looks like we cannot reproduce the fix now, so we release it. Yeah, you saw it on GitHub, but that doesn't matter. So there is this file which I update manually, and this is where what all your Coolify instance is using to get the latest version. And if this is not updated, then you won't get the update. So if you check the Coolify repo, then okay, it has the latest release of this 3.8.2, but that doesn't mean that everyone get the latest version, because yeah, a few instances are running, just a few, and I don't want to accidentally release to all of them at once. So yeah. Wait, big question. Do you have Coolify instance running Coolify cloud stuff? No. It could be used, so I could use Coolify to deploy Coolify, which is just, but still, yeah, I manually do it because the cloud instance is a bit more complex than the self-hosted one, and yeah. But can we have a Coolify inside Coolify that also runs Coolify? I guess. Inception Coolify, the deploy Coolify, the deploys Coolify. Whoa, yeah. Sounds good. Okay, where was I? Yeah, yeah, this endpoint should expose the public key as well. So if I add like here, that not hidden, it's called append. Yes, public key. Will it work? Going to work on some, might come back later, so ping me on Discord if you need anything else as usual. Okay, thank you, Shadow. Oh, but you wrote that, you said something to me, but I ignored it. You missed my previous big message. I've done a lot of stuff on Sunday, moved all my stuff hosted on Coolify to my own deployment pipeline, my own Docker registry, plus SSH forwarding. I did some image zoom and code block stuff to my website. Nice. And content writing for our doc. Nice. Nice, Shadow. I didn't code so much on the weekend, I think I don't code anything. I guess, yeah. It was just a relaxing weekend. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, it's pretty print. Ooh. Call and if and get public key attribute. Ah, yeah. Get public key. Wait, will it work? Okay, now it works. Okay, but I need to change that on the UI as well, I think. What did I just do? Ah, I need the public key here. Or no? What did I wrong here? Yeah, this is for the select public key. Yeah, that is working. I should just revert it for now. Yep. Okay. And when I pretty print it, yeah, it also have it. Nice. I have multiple instances lately where I dream about various features being released in different pieces of software, then I end up trying to use features that don't actually exist because it was a dream. I'm literally losing it. Hey human, good morning. When you're ready for the release, just ping me on Discord for the release notes. We'll now merge the docs so that all URLs are ready. Nice. Are you planning on adding support for private keys that are password protected? It is not planned. But yeah, as we are talking about machine-to-machine communication, it is a bit harder to add password protected ones, but yeah, not impossible. This puts some better error because it gives generic error when you try to add them. Ah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Add more better error for SSH key for passphrase protected SSH keys. You learning Go? No, I'm just writing Go. Okay, I don't need that one here. Okay, I have the public key there. We can add the private key as well. Thank you, Mr. Cursor. Now it should be there. Yeah. That looks bad. Yeah, because of the new lines. Hey, 9,000. Thanks for the follow. Okay, should I? Whoa. Unexpected name. Oh, it's probably because the private key. Can I say a funny code? Maybe. Oh, oops. Yeah, okay, I made the syntax error. So if I pretty print it, yeah, it has the new lines. But when I just print it as a table, yeah, it parses the new line. So how can I make it to not parse it? Private key has new line parse. Do not pause it, please. Okay, that is one solution. Well, it works. Ooh, it looks ugly. It just happened here. No, maybe it's too long. No. Nice code. For Hawking Do you already have a Coolify logo as ASCII art? Yeah, I think it's in the installation script. I already have it. Somewhere. Or maybe, oh wait, no. Maybe I don't, because I removed it, I think. Yeah, I removed it, so no. For the SSL certificate proxying of database, would you able and willing to give a price to implement it within the next week or two? That is a good question, Zafur. I don't know. Write me an email, please, and we will talk about it. Maybe someone here knows. Is it possible to inject command in private key like string? I mean public key, public like string. What do you mean? So inject a command in the public key or private key? Oh, what just happened here? Yeah, use that email address, Zephyr. I mean, create a public key that has a command in it. It would be used for command injection. Yeah, that could be possible. Okay, so do we need the private key here? I think we do not need that one in the table. It's better if we have with different subcommand. Oh wait, we are getting the private keys, list of private keys. Yeah, I think we should have subcommand. Not sure. Okay, it looks a bit better. So if you get one private key, then it should add the private key and the public key there. If you are listing the private keys, should it have the public key in it? I think no. And it should only have the name and the UID. And somehow we need to prevent this to happen. So when you are formatting with the JSON, then it should not add all the details. But I think that should be done on the CLI layer and not on the API layer. So the API should give back all the details that is allowed to give back based on your token, but on your token scopes, exactly. But yeah, but the filtering should be done on the CLI level. Hey Fantix, thanks for the follow. Okay, but first I will add the commands and then I will do the filtering. So yeah, you could get private keys, get one private key, list all private keys, and also odd. So let's make an odd here. Oh, it's not function. Odd or create private key. Yes, create private key. Let's add it as a subcommand. Nice, but it should be create. Instances. I think that has a. Oh, I know. I named it as add. Oh, it should be add. Naming is always hard. Yeah, on the private key, okay. And it probably needs security keys, no. Needs some kind of data. Yeah, like this. Odd, a name, a public, no, we don't need a public key, we need a private key. Okay. Name, private key. Yeah, but the private key should be So I think we should add that the private key should be come from a file, should be come from the standard input. Okay. Oh, just a moment. Okay, yeah, I'm back. Hey, Gomar Getty, thanks for the follow. Bro, thank you for building Coolify. Thank you for using Coolify, True Miller. And also, yeah, Gomar Getty, thanks for using Coolify. And from a file. Let's see. Come on, cursor, do your job. Let's see. Private key, orgs, yes. Check the input is a 5F, blah blah blah. Private key, yes. That is a private key. Okay. Hey, True Miller. Thanks for the follow. I saw your message on X as well. Okay, let's see. Do not raise prices. I do not have plans to do it, so where am I? Okay, let's make a new private key just for testing. I forgot. Minus. Oh no, not all. Yeah, first let's make a ed 255619 and output file key is test key.
True Miller _ just subscribed.
Hey, thanks for the subscription. Greetings from Argentina. Oh, what time it is at Argentina? Okay, I have a test key now, so if I'm right, I can do this. Accepts 2 arguments. Oh yeah, I need a name. Test key. Okay, so it reads it. Nice. And what if I do wait, should we allow to paste it as a string, as an input? Because then you need to format it. Okay, I think we should allow to paste it as a base 65, holy shit, 64 key. Yeah, it should be fine. And then I need to Mr. AI, do your work. The input the input should be base 64 encoded, otherwise throw error. Please always say please to your AI. Okay, it imports the base 64, encoding, decoding, yeah, okay. Tries to decode it, if it's not decoded then yes, and use it like that, okay. But how I am doing the security key, create key one, yes, private key. Ooh. Sending it as a string. I'm sending it as a string. Yeah, the problem comes when I'm allowing to add the private key through the API with the private key defined as a string with new lines. I think it's in the docs as well, but let's see. Private key is create, request body, private key. Ooh, it's not specified here. Ooh. Should be specified here that it should be a one line define private key. This is not nice. I don't want to support all kind of private key formats. I mean, not the format, but to how to give it to the API. Hey, it's me, Adarsh, 2008. Thanks for the follow. Are you the creator of Coolify? Do you see my head? Or maybe, wait. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah, I am the creator of Coolify. Holy shit. Then maybe we should add maybe we should add some option to the API that you can define of how to what kind of
just subscribed
oh
with
hey
Prime.
hey Gomorgetti, thanks for the sub. Thank you. So we should add like I don't know type or no private key type. Yeah. 7 a.m. Oh, that's whoa, that is always strange to know that people woke up and find my stream and watching me. So strange. Hey, Jess, thanks for the follow. Maybe private key format. No. Ay. Or maybe we just parse it on the API, so it doesn't matter how it doesn't matter how you define the private key. You can define it in base64 encoded format or like one line format. Yeah, I think maybe that's the best one. So yeah, but for that we needed to change this format private key. Yeah, here I should private key requires string. Okay, name is not set, description not set. Okay. Is key base64 formatted? Yeah, it checks like that. Okay. But that is not what I'm looking for. If it just starts with that one, that makes sense because all the SSH key starts with this one. Let me just check. Yes, it's 5 slashes. That is 5. Why did you choose ShiftFast for this? What? I'm not using ShiftFast. It's a Laravel application. so I didn't choose that one. I'm waiting to finish the deploy. Oh, nice. So if it starts with that one, is private key string. It's me, Adar. Why do you think that I use ShiftFast, by the way? Okay, if it's not starts with that one, that means that I can just try to encode it. It could be decoded. I mean, yeah, decoded. Then set it like this. Okay. Let's see. So I can just do something like this. Okay, that are a lot of numbers there. Okay. JSON data. Let's move it like this. Ah, nice. So it is decoded. Oh, wait a moment. Wait a moment. Okay, I'm confused. So now you can give the private key in base64. Okay, then it's decoded on the CLI and sent it like this to the API. Or should I just send it in base64 and it doesn't matter if I do the decoding on the CLI or the API then? I'm not sure. Not sure which one is the best one. I saw the name Coolify on the ShiftFast leaderboard some months ago. You mean on the indie page, no? Not ShiftFast. I don't know how it's written in the page, in the dot page, no, in the dot, I don't know. In the page. Ah, in the page, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm here somewhere on the leaderboard. Yeah, I'm here. Hello, it's me. Ooh. but I didn't use shift fast. Shift fast is, I think, the template. Hi, Pyro. Thanks for the follow. Okay, let's do some work. So I'm sending in base 64, but maybe, yeah, this is a bit more complex because I don't want to send the private key on with clear text. Maybe it is better to encrypt it, but yeah, then we need some kind of encryption key, which should be shared with the instance. Oh, but the token is shared, so the token is known by the Coolify API and the CLI as well. I appreciate your work. Oh, thank you. Hey, Michal. Everyone on their lunch breaks? Not gonna lie, I just woke up. Oh, it's good for you. I woke up 6 o'clock. So, okay, first, okay, don't overcomplicate it. First, just make it work and then we can iterate. So let me just send it with base 64. Yeah. I think the fetch. What is the fetch? This fetch is not capable of doing. Yeah, it's for GET request. So I need to make something for POST requests. Body EORI reader, yes. Posting data there. Come on, AI, do your work. This should be an IO reader. Well, we will see. When I add the new key, yes, I should use like this. Byte, new buffer, JSON data, JSON, okay. Post it there. Should go to API slash v1. I need to define the base URL. Yeah, like this. Do that. Well, let's test it out. Private key test key added successfully. Okay. Something happened. But it's not there. Okay. Invalid request. Content type must be applications JSON. Oh yeah, so on the post request I should define the request header. Thank you, Mr. AI. Like that. So when I do this, ooh, we have a nice return code and it's added. And it works. Nice. Hey Jackie, thanks for the follow. Oh human, you had a very productive weekend. Okay, I wasn't working at all on the weekend. Okay, but to be able to add this as a base 64, we need we need this version. At least. Yeah, we should handle the return or the response, let's say. If no. Yeah, just write it down now. Hey coding rope, thanks for the follow. Okay, what will happen now? Ah, this is because the debug mode is on. Whee! Okay. Task key successfully added, but I think it doesn't, because you cannot add the same key twice. Okay, let me just quickly disable the debug mode. I mean not the debug mode, but the debug bar. Hey, hope you are well. Do you think you have a short time later to look at the Laravel deploy error? I have created a ticket on your Discord, but I can't get any further. Would be very grateful. Yeah, we will check. Hey, Alan, thanks for the follow. Now, okay, the error should be. Ooh. Yeah, it should be better, but it's not. Oh my god. Why the API gives back HTML? That is the question. Wait, this is the login screen. Why it gives back the login screen if I try to add the same key twice? So I need yak, not that one. I need yak editor. I don't have a command for that. I'm using cursor. Yak. Yeah, yak is not starting. Hello, Mr. Yak. Hello. Yak. Let's kill Yak. Hello. Hello. What is happening? I'm not sure why it doesn't start. Maybe I need a newer version. I need to save it. Where? Up images. Yeah, here. Okay. Hello. Please update. Why it's not working?
Just subscribed with Prime.
Hey, Beiros. Thanks for the subscription. Nice. You're subscribed for 2 months. Okay, I think I totally ruined Yak. Not an up image. Excuse me. Let me try it again. Oh, it's a Tor GZ. Have to untor it. Just a moment. Okay, and move it to the up images. Okay, now it should be fine. Soon. Come on. Come on. It's not working yet. Okay, now maybe I need to wait a few seconds, because when I place an up image to the right folder, it should be automatically added. Okay, it just needed a few seconds. Okay, so yeah, let's duplicate this one. Add private key. Here I should use the /security/keys. Keys should be a post request with a JSON. Probably the token is not right, but I think I can get the token from here. Yep. Okay. And the endpoint should need a name, a description. Well, these are not mandatory. Just a private key. Okay, then just stick to the private key one. Private key. And if I'm right, yes, I can still add it as a one-line private key. Yeah, like this. Aha. This is the problem. This is the problem, okay. Yeah, the problem is when the private key is validated. Hey Hugo, what's up? Yeah, long time no see. What's up with you? Spirit of the Steel will lead you. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, this is not good. We need to validate it here. But how? Yeah, like this. Overload with work. Got a check on. Nice. Is private key valid? Let's see. Okay, so it is valid. Yeah, and we also need to generate the fingerprint. Fingerprint. Get fingerprint. Okay. And we should check if it's valid or already exists. Is fingerprint exists? Aha. So here I just do this. Private key. We don't need the null here. Fingerprint exists. Could be null, right? Yes, could be null. Private key already exists. Hello. Oh, I used the wrong function. Hold on, if a method fingerprint exists. Okay. Oh, it's a private function. Oh. That's why I cannot call it. But I think I can make it public. Okay, so now that is true. So basically, it should be 422. Unprocessable entity. Yeah, private key already exists. Nice. You're working on a CLI in PHP? No. I'm extending the API with some small things to be able to work well with the CLI as well. So yeah, here is the CLI. It's not PHP. Hey Boyhux, thanks for the follow. One question, if we wanna install services via Coolify on our spare laptop and only wanna access it via local network, how can we do that? Because every resource gets assigned a custom SSD domain, but not a local port. Yeah, for that you need to specify it in the compose file to to expose ports locally. It is not a usual use case because you don't want to expose every service to a local port, but in your case it could work. You just need to add 1 line or 2 lines to the compose file, and yeah, other than that, not sure what you can do. I use I'm not used locally, but I use an old laptop for my staging server, which is connected to Cloudflare tunnels. So basically I could reach my laptop, anything that I deploy on my laptop from the internet. But yeah, your use case is different because it needs to be accessed locally. Yeah, I think that's the only option, to add the port exposes to the compose file. Yeah, no problem. Thank you for your hard work. I love Coolify. Nice. Thank you if you are using it. Gotta get that go along. I recommend to hook into Viper for CLI package. It makes it so much easier when handling multiple flags. I mean Cobra. Yeah, I'm using Cobra and Viper. Does CLI deploy in the future plans? Yes. You could able to deploy the existing things, of course, but I will add the feature to able to deploy it. Well, you can define a new application or service or something like that, and you can also deploy it. But the most requested feature will be that you could use a locally available, locally built, I don't know, application, like a static page, or I don't know, an Node.js application, PHP, Laravel, I don't know, and you can just simply deploy it without sending to Git or something like that. So you can deploy it from your computer to your server with one command. That would be a pretty cool feature. Okay, so now it works. Oops, not here. I'm here. So if I try to add the same private key twice, private key already exists. Okay, but I need to handle the error. Okay, I'm handing it here. Then why it's not an error? Oh, because I'm not checking the return code here, right? Yes. Yeah, I should read the message here. Oh, but then I need to parse it. JSON, yes. I have no idea what I'm doing. Luckily the AI helps me. Oh, nice, okay. You don't need that one. Private key already exists. Okay, error adding private key. Private key already exists. Should do something like this. Return code is never an error. Error is only a network issue. Yeah. Okay, but I should do something like this. Yeah, okay. It's something. Okay, so now I can add the private key. Let's quickly create a deletion one, a deletion option, or delete private key. Oh, thank you. Yes, function, it requires that one. Yeah, I need to check these versions, but yeah, for now let's use the latest one. And let's check the API. It's delete request. Yep. But we don't have a delete request. I mean a delete function. Fetch, post, delete. And all the delete requests should return. Yeah, 200. Okay, if it fails to delete, then it adds a message. Okay, we can read that one the same way as we did in the post request. Okay. Delete, if not, okay, let's add the set command. I'm not sure if we need the response. Let's just ignore it for now. Oops. Yeah. So now, if I'm right, I should have a delete one. Yes. Wait, does it call delete? No, I named it removed. So let's use that one. remove UID. Okay, so we need a list of private keys. Remove that one. Private key removed successfully. Wow, that was simple. Okay, let's try to add. Let's try to add from local file. Oh. Ah. I'm not handling the return code correctly. Yep. Because here when I post it, it should be, yeah, the post request should give back 201, but I'm not sure if all the endpoints are returning. Since the return code is int, you can do that. Yep. Maybe it's better. Yeah, maybe it's better. Thanks for it, Hugo. Now if I add it again, okay, it already exists. Okay, let's... Yeah, I think I should add to be able to delete or remove by name. Yeah, but it's not unique. So the name is never unique, or the UID is. Oh, hello. Oh, wait, I used that name. Oops. Yeah, now let's use the UID. Okay, I can add it. Nice. Okay. So now we could have, we have this, and also we have the remove. So now we can add the server, because that's why we did all these things, just to be able to add the server. Or why I'm adding a function, I don't know. Needs to be a what? Okay. It needs a name, yes, an IP, a user, port, private key UID. Yeah, but I need some of the options to be optional. I have no idea how to do it. Maybe I'm doing it with the instances. You would use flags for optional things. Ah, you mean that like this, and okay, it prints the odd server. I have the server command, and I should have the first I should add the odd server command flag, not the private key, but I should add the port and the user. And this should be the value, default value. So default value should be 22, and this should be root. And then I add the server to add the odd server command to the server command, if I'm right. Yeah. You can add the pre-run e command to say if username, password or private key. What? Pre-run e. Pre-run? Ah, nice. Nice. Hey, Kaiser TV, thanks for the follow. This is just used for validation. Yeah. For now, I don't want to overcomplicate it, so I just would like to make it work, and then we will extend it. With all kind of validations and so on. Okay, so let's first get the private key list. Also note my comment about the Cobra context. Oh, my Golang brain is saying refactor. Another thing is can be letter is you're not passing Cobra context to request. So if user Control C to cancel the request, it is not cancelled. Oh. 50 plus viewers, nice. I use Ubuntu. Yeah, maybe I should add a command. I don't have stream elements opened, I think. Yeah, 50 viewers. Nice. I never checked the viewer count, so. Chat command, custom command, new command, slash, let's use OS, Ubuntu, with OmaCube, yeah, it's called OmaCube, OmaCube. It works. Okay, so where was I? Yes, so we need the ID. I think I have local Debian installation. Debian 24/7 on. Debian on. So we can play with this server. It's local VM. So yeah, I have the private key. So I should add the server with a name. Let's say use Debian, an IP. Oh no, I leak my IP address. Oh no, and the private key UID. I will use this one. And that's it. Oops. Forgot to implement the function. DOSIM, yeah, I leak everything. I leak my private keys, my IP addresses, like, and everything. Like, as you can see, format is JSON, and here you go, my private keys. Oh my god. Oh my god. So yeah, let's add this one. Get the name for arguments, private key ID. Get int, I have no idea. Get string user, okay, I guess. And JSON data, okay. Okay, it's doing something. I post it to, no, I need to check default settings. Yes, I need a base URL. It should be servers. Oops, not the web, but the API. Servers. Post request, yeah, create server. Hey, Force Robin, thanks for the follow. Hey, Adam, what's up? Okay, we have base URL here. Tiring Monday, yeah, I'm also tired a bit, but I'm always tired, so I guess just the usual Monday. Yep, we don't need anything else. So it gets the base URL, name, IP, private key, port, user from the flags. Makes a JSON marshal, which is a police, I think. I don't know what this marshal is. It sounds funny. Okay, name, IP, port, private, yes, it format it and send it as a new buffer, the JSON data, JSON, with the URL, what? Yes, URL, okay, blah 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 blah. If there is error, then it print it, otherwise it print this one. Oh wait. Oh wait, human, right. Merge. Merge. Nice. It works. This is cool, man. I started using Coolify about 4 months ago and I love it. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Force Robin. Thank you for using it. I got a full gear set. Nice. You earned a clap. Thank you. By the way, human. I think you are the first one who bought almost everything. Okay, so now if I do this, server added successfully. So it should be here. Yes, it is not validated. That is on purpose. Maybe we should say that somewhere, I don't know where. Here maybe. Not validate. With the server, it should not be string, it should be boolean. Yes, should be false by default. If validate, no, this is no. Yeah, like this again. Yes, okay. For successful to use V to validate. No, it should write that server is not. No, wait, no. Server like this. Yeah. Server is not validated. Use -v to validate the server. Yeah, we should have a validate option as well, or I mean validate command. Okay. For now, let's delete this one and audit again. The minus v is not maybe not the best, because that should be version. Can I leave it empty? Shorthand should be a string. We will see. Yes. Do validate, yes, but I need to handle that one. And I have no idea how I did it. Instant validate, yep. So I go here, yes, it should be validated, no, instant validate, like that, so it should be false or true. Then I do this, server audit successfully, and it's not doing anything. But why? Why? No, not this one, but this one. Let's DD for now. Yeah, maybe the DD is not the best one. It should be test, no, Debian. We should have an IP address. Oh no, I leaked again. Yes, a private key ID and... Oops. Oh, okay. Yes. Instant validate should be true. Okay, so now it should go, it should pass the data. Server's validate name to manually run it. Yeah. This Coolify CLI is gonna open a lot of possibilities. Yeah, the API is already did a lot of things, but yeah, CLI is better in some cases. Again, servers can't have the same name. They could. So servers could have the same name. Every resource could have the same name, because you can name it however you want. But there is an underlying unique ID, of course, that points to the right server. I don't want to restrict it to be able to have, for example, localhost only once, because God knows how would you like to name your server, so. Okay. So what is going on here? Server audit successfully, but it's not validating. But if I audit through Yak, it's created and validated. Yeah, something is wrong here. Instant validate true. Port is 0. Say what? Port is 0. The port should be an int. That's the problem. Okay, so now if I do this, server successfully added, and it's validated. Nice. If I do without a validate, yes, server is not validated. Use server's validate UID to validate the server, and if I go here, it should be not validated. Yes. So I just need to add validate command. Yeah, thank you. Yes, thank you cursor, thank you. I have no idea about the endpoint. Do we have an endpoint for validation? Yes, we have, of course. Servers / UID / validate. Yeah, tab. I just use tab. Post. Okay, what are the return codes here? Void required, validation started. So it does not check if it's validated already. That doesn't matter. Yeah. For Cobra also has an autocomplete plugin for Bash. Yep, I know that. I think it's already there. Yeah. So, okay, so I add it. What if I add it again? Server with this IP already exists. Nice. And if I do validate, and this one, not found. Oh, I added the private key ID. Whoops. Server UID validate. No, it's a 404. It's 404. What did I miss here? Oh, it's a GET request, not a POST request. Ah. Yeah, but it should not write that server validated successfully, because that is an asynchronous process. Okay, where am I? Yeah, here I am. So it should write that server validation initiated. And that's the same as I write here. Oh no, server validation started. But maybe I should not write it like this, but I should use a response. So I can just basically, yeah, I can basically use the API as a single source of truth for the messages, for the responses. How is Go for change versus PHP? I still like PHP, so, but to make a CLI in PHP, that it doesn't make sense for me. Get the response message. Oh, yeah. I should get the response message all the time. or at least almost all the time. What is the response message here? Server, blah blah blah. Yeah, just the UID. Then I should do it like this for now. Read. Yeah, like this. And I should have a delete one, or I mean a remove one, a remove option. Yeah. Or remove blah blah blah, remove, delete, yes, servers, base URL, UID, okay. UID, delete request, yep. Catch the response, get the message from the response. And that's it. So now I can remove this one, server deleted. Yep. So if I add it without validation, it should give you the command to validate. Yep, but it should add the base command. Not sure how to do that. I did it once, but I have no idea. I think it's on command struct. The root command use. No, we will see. If you type cmd, it should give you the items. Yeah, but I have no idea it should be in cmd, so that's the problem. I rarely use Go. Yeah, so I would like to somehow define that, okay, I'm running it like this. It's like with go run main go, so it should write it go run main go here. But if I use the binary, the build binary, then it should show that how I'm calling the Coolify CLI. Do you mean? So if you add it to the path, for example, you can use like this, blah blah blah, but maybe you can just use it. If it's not in the path, then you can use it like the / Coolify, or you can just use, I don't know, another CLI. You name it like you want, it doesn't matter, but it always adds the right execution or how you executed the command here, and I'm not sure how to do that. I would like to not use root cmd.use, but if I execute this CLI with Coolify, or if I add it to the path, then Coolify, blah blah blah, or if I run it as go run main go, then the correct, I don't know how that is called, the execution type should be used. Help me please. Oh, I just need you OS orbs. Oh, it already exists. Main server. Ooh, okay, that's not it. Oh. Okay, maybe it's something that it's so small that it doesn't even matter. Okay. Okay, we can remove server, add server, we can add duplicate server. Okay, what happens if I validate something that doesn't exist? Yeah, maybe we need a more generic later on. Does CMD have a command path? It has. Yeah, but it writes Coolify servers odd. Hey, just so small thing that it doesn't matter for me. One more thing that... Okay, maybe you cannot remove the local host. But let me just... Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me just check the API. So you probably cannot remove. Or maybe you could. Maybe you could, but you should not. You should not. If server is local, is local? Is local? No, localhost is localhost. Ah, is localhost localhost? Not like this, right? Yes. Local server cannot be deleted. So if I try to delete the localhost, okay, the server has resources, but still it won't let you delete the localhost from the API. Hey D. Hey, what happened to everyone? I only see Hugo and Human active on chat. Everybody eating, I guess. And I have to as well. Soon. Okay, we have a validate, we have a private key, odd. And we also need to have remove. Hey, Eternal Mori, love
Eternal
you.
Mori just subscribed with Prime.
I love you too. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you. Hey, Dayal Nash, thanks for the follow. The UI loading issue is fixed. The new version is really ready now. Nice. What was the problem? Hey, Hugo, thanks for the subscription. Holy shit, what's happening? It's just Monday. I didn't prepare for this.
Hugo Does just subscribed with Prime.
Hey, Staying Fire, thanks for the follow. It was Cloudflare's Rocket Loader. No one is ever prepared for Monday. That is true. Rocket Loader. What? Cloudflare is doing rocket science or what? What? But this is... I don't get it. This is activated in Cloudflare, but... Oh, okay, it was a self-hosted version, right? Yeah. So the user could not load his self-hosted version of Coolify. From Monday we roll into usual Tuesday. Yeah. Hey, long time no see. Hey, Haze. Yeah, same. It is such a dumb feature. I should have thought of that faster. It is so annoying. Yeah, we need to document it. We need to add it to documentation that if something similar happens, then just disable it or test it without it or something like that. The stupid thing wasted 4 hours of my time 4 months ago by breaking my website. That doesn't sound too good. Okay. Now what? We can add the server, we can validate the server, we can add the private key, delete a private key. Okay, so what would be the next step? If you log in, okay, you add the new server. Of course, we should extend the server details as well, or we should add more commands. So I'm thinking of adding, like, for example, you could set the server time zone. You can enable Sentinel by default, and set up Docker cleanup and so on. Log drain endpoints as well. Or we should add more commands to the CLI. Can we do a custom log drain endpoint stream? What do you mean? You mean to show how it works, or? Oh, I see, human. I see. Yeah, for that you probably need a custom fluent bit configuration. But I think that should be simple. Yeah, no problem. Hey, MK Chomik, thanks for the follow. Do you know what could be the reason why Coolify proxy sometimes won't start automatically after turning on the server? I have Coolify running on my VM. Most of the time I turn a VM proxy is off. I have to manually start it. Well, there is a check in the server check cron that is basically checking the server every minute on the self-hosted version. And if the proxy is not started but should be started, then it starts it. In your exact problem, well, that is a good question, because I have a similar setup here. Oh, but the proxy is not set. Why? Yeah, not sure about that, Shadow. Wait, if I add the server like this. Oh, I forgot to validate. Never mind. Validate. Validation started. Okay, it's validated. Aha, the proxy is not set. That is bad. So when I create a server, proxy type string or nullable. Oh, it's not setting the proxy. But why. Oh, it's not setting the server type correctly. Oh, right, that's a collection. Okay, I need to delete it. Ah. Okay, I think I will add these fixes to the new version. Does it really matter to put the correct server IP on the settings page? My Coolify running locally on my VM works fine if it put any IP. You mean to the localhost shadow? Sorry for the late answer. Can we do custom webhooks? Coolify is a odd webhook project. Not now. Not now, human. You mean here? Yeah, it matters. It is used a few places here and there. So it matters what you put here. So you should not put some random IPs there. About the custom webhooks, human. So what do you want to achieve with those ones? With the custom webhook? So it's a custom webhook for notifications, or sending notifications to, or so if something happens on that project, no matter what, then it will send a message to that custom webhook, right? Yeah, we currently do not have a project-wide notification system. but we could have. Because I think everything is given for that. Because we just need to rewrite some parts of the code, and basically when an event happens, then we need to parse it, which project does it belongs to. For example, if it happens with the application, which project does it belongs to, and then we just need a field that, okay, this project has a custom webhook, then send it like this. But yeah, the hardest part would be to make a structure for the webhook, so make it structured. But that's not so hard, but yeah, it takes a few things. Yeah, Shadow, that could happen. That could happen. That's why we added the predefined root user to the installation. So basically you could, it is not released yet, but soon, basically you could specify the first user, username, user password, user email, and that will register the first user and automatically disable the further registrations. But yeah, if you that is not Coolify specific, so if you use almost any self-hosted instance that requires the first user to be registered, then it's the case that if you leave it like that for days and someone finds it, then basically you could reinstall it anytime. So you need to set it in the environment. Well, if you could check what peak just linked before, then you would see it. Yes, and peak, we will release that as well. Maybe I should just stop doing this and release a new version. So where was I? Yeah. So if alright, then if I do this, then the proxy should be started. No. Why not? Oh, because I didn't set the proxy type. Oh. Or wait. Do I need to set the proxy type? Yeah, it is not set. But wait, here I didn't mention the proxy type. If I do this, oh, the proxy is not set. Okay, hey Monroe, thanks for the follow. What happens if you try to validate a server that's validated? Nothing special. It just checks that everything is installed and that's it. So it basically revalidates, but as everything is set up and it's already validated, then it takes a second to validate. I need to save it. I need to save it. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, now it will work. So if I do this, server should be validated and the proxy should be started automatically. Yep. Nice. Can we create Docker image like default specific for framework build output? Can we set the default Docker image and then swap the content of our folder and just rerun the node start script to restart it? Framework build push locally to remote Coolify Docker image. Oh, thank you, Peak. Thank you. Yeah, human. It sounds interesting. Yeah, human. I would like to have such feature, not in a way that you described, but I would like to have a feature in the CLI that you just have, for example, this source code and you just do Coolify deploy, and that's it, and it will grab everything from the local folder and upload it to your Coolify instance and deploy it. And maybe you could specify the resource. So if you already have a defined resource, like, I don't know, this one, then it will deploy it like this. But yeah, it needs a different type of deployment, because it will just yeah, host your application. So it doesn't even need a Docker image or anything like that. But yeah, then you just need to deploy the with type, I don't know, node or static, or I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit more complex than I first thought, because Yeah, because if you don't build it on the Coolify server or on any server, basically on the build server or on the Coolify server, then it's a bit harder to do it. Yeah, so basically I would like to have something like this. For static, it is simple, because that's just static and you just need to copy it to the right Nginx folder and host it with Nginx, and that's it, call it a day. Yeah, there will be a lot of edge cases for sure. That's why I do not want to add it as once. So just one day to other to support everything, but basically go through all the types basically. Yeah. Better solution is to create an API for the CLI to get all the comments available to make it dynamic. Yeah, Jose. Yeah. Is it possible to stop Coolify from saying there is a new change, restart or redeploy when I just change the app name or description on the configuration page? No, there is no way for that, but yeah, we need to fine tune what is used to identify. So which inputs does requires a rebuild. So for example, if you change the name, yeah, this is bad. It should not state that the latest configuration is not applied, but only those things needs to be added to this check, where it checks that what you change and maybe you need to redeploy. Yeah, we need to fine tune that one. So basically the name should not be included for sure, and description as well. But yeah, yeah, we need to fine tune that. Yeah, Hugo, it should be a subcommand. But if you had a Coolify JSON file that's stored in the root directory of the project and it defines all the info like project type, yeah, I already started to work on it. It's in the code base, but not finalized yet. And yeah, that could be a great solution to this deploy from localhost or from your computer. Because then if I say that, okay, Coolify deploy init or something like that, then it will make a Coolify JSON. I'm not sure why I'm still saying JSON, never mind. And there you could set that, okay, it's Node.js application, this is the build command, this is the start command, this is the, I don't know, install command and so on. And then just do a Coolify deploy. And yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, both will go. JSON or YAML, that could work. It's kind of the same, just in different format. JSON startup, yeah, exactly. Why I code, thanks for the follow. Felt like I was in Paris for a moment. Yeah, omelette du fromage, JSON. iBureaus doesn't even know the workaround for mixed content. Yes. Especially in Laravel. It's in the app. No. Wait, maybe it's better. App service provider. iBureaus, you should do that. Can you try this? Create a new resource, choose Docker image as deployment option, enter localhost. And now on the comment page, see the Docker image and Docker image tag, but what you see there is normal behavior or a bug. Yeah, that is a bug. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. The image is this one. Can the image name or the tag name could contain slash? If the Docker image has the count, yeah. Parse it correctly. Let's see what it does. It exploded. Count parts. What? The parse is bigger than 1. Then this will be used as an image. Okay, this is not good. Okay, how should I parse this one? So this could have slash. It could be like this, right? Right? This could be like this. Or this. Or yeah, like that. And we could have like this. So I need to parse everything. Use explode with if have to change the form. Yeah, but these had 2. These also had 2. These had 3. And also the port is not mandatory, I think. So it could be like this as well, if I'm right. Yeah, because this is the Docker registry. Yeah, it could have, of course, so it could have Docker registry URL slash image and tag, and the URL could be that one or like this one. Image name could be that one, or null. Let's say empty. You just need to see if before the first slash is registry URL or URL port. Yeah, but how would you determine that this is a registry or the image name? This school, for example, here in this one. Image names could not have ports for sure, and periods as well. Yeah, but it could be a domain or just simply localhost, or so without the .io, .com or something like that. Before the first slash has a dot or then you know it's a URL. Let's see. I would like to make a parser on a Monday. To parse the Docker image names. The following image names could appear. Yeah. Oh my god. See attached text. I don't know how to solve it. We create a parser class. Write a test for the parser, please. I will be surprised if this is working for the first try with AI generated code. Okay. So we have this one and Nginx. It should get the registry URL should be 0 or empty. Image tag should be latest, that should be Nginx. Okay, if I set the tag, then the registry URL is still empty, but the image name is this, the tag is that. Okay. If we have something like this, it will get the image name, yes, and it should be latest. Okay. If you give the Docker registry, it should be that one. Okay. If you use localhost, yep. If you don't add the tag, yes. Yes, it should convert back to string. It converts to string with the default tag. Okay. Remove the HTTP and HTTPS for the start. Explode the use base name to get the last item in the slash. Yeah, that could also work, but okay. Whoa. Okay. This is not good. Because Docker image should be... Wait. Where did it went? It should look like this. Is that supposed to split it? Ah, it only has a get image name. Okay, it should work. Let's add the tag as well. Okay, now it works. And if I add a localhost one with port and yeah, let's use everything. Ooh, nice. Now works. And what if I do this and like this? Okay. Okay, Shadow. Thanks for the bug report. It now works. Ooh, I should commit a few things. Okay, so where was I in the CLI? Yeah. I think that is enough streaming for today, because I'm getting really hungry. And we did a few things, so nice. I will probably commit these changes, because yeah, some of them should be added to the next version, and then I release the next version. I was about to say the stream lasted longer today. Yeah, I could stream longer, so that is not a problem for me, usually, if I have time, of course. I don't have anything else. But I have to force myself to stream a bit less. And we have Bezos, yeah. When I start talking, Bezos just appears here. Now I have to wait. Oh, Bezos means odds. Yeah. He just come here to take my money. Come on, Bezos. Go away. Please. Please. Oh my god, Bezos. This is a long one. Hey, Parizera. Thanks for the follow. Bye bye, Bezos. Okay, so I could stream longer if I would like to, but I don't want to stream for extended hours. Let's say after 3-4 hours, it's yeah, I have mixed feelings about it, because I would love to stream, but I usually do other stuffs which are not stream related after the stream. And if I stream all day, all night, then I don't have time to do all those stuffs. And yeah, that's why I'm usually sticking with 2 or 3 hours maximum of streaming. Now it's 3.5 hours, almost 4. But yeah, I would like to make smaller streams, like 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, but on those 2-3 hours I would like to do as much as I could. So I plan things beforehand, I maybe bring some topics to the stream that we can talk about, and yeah, something like this. So I don't want to just be around and do almost nothing just to stream, you know. I think it's better if I just do 2 hours of streaming and I know what to do. I have plans that I would like to make on the stream. And yeah, I would like to introduce topics as well. So basically just things that we just talk about if you are interested. But I need a place for that. So I don't want to talk about things that I would like to talk about. I would like to talk about things that you would like to talk about. So, but for that we need a place. For example, Reddit. Or I don't know yet, maybe Reddit. I have a Reddit, by the way, /Hey Andras, but I'm not using it. I'm just using the name. So yeah, maybe we need to use that one. So basically you could just paste there some links to topics, to, I don't know, something happened in the world, of course, related to IT, and something like that. And on each stream, half an hour maybe, we just go through that and talk about it. Does it make sense? Any news on when the newer version will be available on CDN? Yep. After the stream, I released the new version. Oops. Ah, yeah. It works. I think I'm not logged in. Yeah. Maybe this could be the place. I'm not used to use Reddit, but maybe that's the simplest one to use now. Everybody's using it. Basically, that's why. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on because I'm getting really hungry. Yeah, I'm just hungry. I'm a bit tired, but I'm just hungry. Okay, let's find someone to raid. Oh, toggle bit, toggle bit, toggle bit. Should we raid someone else? I still don't feel it to raid some random people that I have no idea what are they doing. Or just stick with toggle bit. Let's stick with toggle bit. Yeah, he's yapping all the time, so yeah, thanks for everyone who was here, and yeah, this was a nice stream. I should plan beforehand all my streams. I need to get used to that for sure, because most of the time I just don't plan anything. I just YOLO. Yeah, I always go natural, but I just, for example, like I planned today to do the CLI. That was the plan. And all these stuffs and the actual code is just executing the plan. So it's enough for me just to know that, okay, do CLI or do this or do that. And something like that. That is enough. So yeah, thanks for everyone who was here and have a nice day. And as always, see you next time. Oh, hey Kandar, thanks for the follow, by the way. Yeah, see you. Bye bye.